In this video, we'll show you the EcoMatcher Teams app. Teams users can now plant trees, track them through satellite mapping, view pictures of the trees and farmers looking after them, or listen to forest sounds and feel good about it, all without leaving Microsoft Teams. You should be able to find EcoMatcher in the Microsoft Teams App Store under the category Sustainability. If you cannot find EcoMatcher, please get in touch with your Teams administrator. You can sign in with your Microsoft account or EcoMatcher account if you already have one. Once you have logged in, you'll immediately see how many trees you already have. You can virtually travel to each tree with Tree Tracker by clicking the tree you want to visit. In Tree Tracker, you can see all details of the tree and its farmer. Make sure you switch on ForestSounds by tapping on the little loudspeaker. You can even chat with your chatbot-powered trees. In the Tree Shop, you can buy trees from many countries. Under Resources, you can find the latest blogs on sustainability, all kinds of tree facts. In Profile, you can customize your profile avatar by adding an eco hashtag. Show your colleagues that you planted some trees. Happy planting!